Our topic today is common construction materials. A. Content standards. Demonstrate an understanding of the consumables and component parts in industrial art services. B. Performance standards. The learners perform simple diagnostics and simple troubleshooting in industrial art services. Learning competency. Learning competency, discuss the consumables in industrial art services. Lesson objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students are expected to identify various consumables used in construction projects and their specific application. Recognize essential consumables used in electronics and electrical work and their functions. Identify common consumables used in automotive and small engine maintenance and repair. Short review. Occupation identification challenge. Guess the profession and the nature of work. Lesson purpose. Share your observations regarding the materials used by construction workers and automotive technicians in their workplaces. Unlocking content vocabulary. Consumable. An item used during operations requiring frequent replacement. Materials. Raw products utilized to construct various objects, such as buildings or structures. Consumable materials. Any materials utilized only once, often experiencing wear and tear and need replacement. Explicitation. Identify the given symbol that can be found in a floor plan. Guide questions. What are the things to consider when constructing a wooden and concrete house? What painting materials are used to paint wood and concrete? Consumable materials in woodworking. Wood. Softwood tree. Hardwood trees. Engineered wood. Nails. Screws. Hinges. Roofing materials. Cogon. Bamboo. Nipa. Metal roof galvanized. Iron corrugated. Wood finishing materials. A penetrating wood finishes. A finishing material used to penetrate the wood grain. Example: Danish oil, cedar oil. Surface finishes. Applied on the top of the wood to create a protective layer. Example: shellac, lacquer, varnish, wax, dye, paint. Consumable materials in masonry. Cement 2. Bricks and concrete hollow blocks. Aggregate 4. Rebar, reinforcing bar. Consumable materials in construction painting. Paintbrush. Masking tape sandpaper. Brush comb drop cloths. Scrub brush paint roller. Worked example. Have you ever used one of these materials? Share your experience in class. Lesson activity.